welcome back to my channel. Now here we want to work on this particular drawing, and we have to produce is isometric view. As I've said, we have worked on this. We want to produce isometric view of this, and let's see how we are going to do this. So first of all, let's talk about how the views is placed. So this is the front elevation, this is the plan, and this is the end elevation. So it means the views are given in third angle projection. And let's talk about the dimensions. So the distance from here to here, that's the height of the front elevation, is 35, and then this is 10 from here to here as we are given in the plan. So from here to here is 10, distance from here to here is 35, and then the thickness from here to here is 10, and then we also have that the distance from this point to the center of the circle is 20. Then distance from here to the center of the circle is 15. The diameter of the circle is 20, and then total length of the plan is 80 millimeters. Thickness from here to here is 10, and then distance from here to here is 25, and the width of the front elevation is 40 millimeters as given in the end elevation here. So we are going to work on this and get the isometric view of this object drawn. So the first thing that we are going to do here is to draw a horizontal line. So we draw a horizontal line like this, and then we take our 30-degree set square. So we draw a line. In this direction. So we draw a line in this direction like this, and then we draw a line. So turn like this. So we draw a line in this direction. So at this point, I'm going to draw a short vertical line. A short vertical line. Yes, a short vertical line at this point. So I will take a measurement of 10 millimeters. So just follow me the way I'm going to bring out the isometric view. So I will draw this line in this direction. Okay, then I'm going to draw this line. I will draw this line in this direction like this. Okay, so for the width, so I will take 40 millimeters as we are given the dimension of the width in the end elevation. I will take 40 millimeters to this side. So at this point, I will draw a vertical line at this point like this, and then so coming here also, so I will also draw this line, a line from here, so backward. Okay, so I'll draw a line from here so it goes to the end. So here on this part, I will take 35 millimeters. 35 millimeters. So this is 35 millimeters. So I will transfer this line. So transfer it to the other side. So transfer it to the other side here like this. Okay, so at this point, I will erect a vertical line. I will erect the vertical line here. Okay, so at this point also I will erect a vertical line. Okay, so I want this vertical line to come down. So I want it to come down to this point. Okay, so here I'm going to take 35 millimeters, which is the height of the front elevation. 35 millimeters from here up, 35 millimeters. So this is 35 millimeters here. So I'm going to transfer this point. I will transfer it to the other side on the other line. So it goes like this. Okay, so from this point, I'm going to draw a line in this direction. So coming to this point, I will draw a line in this direction, and then so I'm going to take a measurement of 10 millimeters. So from here to this point, this is 10. So then I will take 25 from here. So this is 25, and then I will take 10 from here, so to here. So then here on this part, I will take 10 millimeters here. So this is 10 millimeters. So I'm going to draw this line. So I draw a line from here, and it goes backward like this. Okay, then so from this point, so I will draw a line from this point. So from this point here, I will draw a line to meet this line. So also at this point, I will draw a line to meet this line. Then at this point, so I will draw a line so it goes and meet this. So then at this point, so I'm going to draw a line, a vertical line So here I will draw a vertical line down. So here I will draw a vertical line down here. So here also I will draw a vertical line down. So at this point also I will draw a vertical line down like this. So coming to this point here, I need to draw a vertical line. Okay, so I will draw a vertical line here, and then at this point here, so I'm going to draw a line in this direction. So apart from the hole that we have here, so the work is already done. So let's produce the hole before I bring out the thickness. We only need to put the hole. So every other thing that we need is already there. So for the hole, so it is placed in the middle here. So I need to take a measurement of 20 millimeters from, so 20 millimeters here, and I need to take 15 millimeters from, so this is 15. So that's to get the 10 centers of the hole. So here I will, so I will draw this line, a center line in this direction, and then here I will draw a line as a center line in this direction. Alright, so the diameter of the circle is 20, so which means I need to take 10 millimeters from this point. So 10 millimeters here. So here I take 10 millimeters here. So and then coming here. So here I take 10 millimeters to this side from the center and 10 millimeters to this side. So then I will create an isometric square on this surface. So this is it. Okay. Alright, so then so we join the longest diagonal longest corners together. Join the longest corners together like this. Okay, so then this point I will connect this point together. This I will also connect it together with this point. Okay, so is my compass, will my compass work? So I just want to look at it. Okay, maybe I think it will work. Let me try it, because I'm looking at this, so it's as if it's small. Okay, alright, so it goes. Then I will put it at this point. At this point. Alright, so then put at this point. As I said, for you to be able to draw an isometric circle with the use of a compass, you need to have a very strong compass, and then you need to do it gently. So I put at this point, and okay. Alright, so because of the thickness that we have here, so we need to try as much as possible to make sure that this the under part, the lower part of this hole can be seen. So what we need to do to get that done, so if it will happen like that, so from this point here you draw a vertical line down here, and then so I'll just come to this part and draw a vertical line. So coming here also I will draw a vertical line. So let's see. So from this point here on the circle itself, so take 10 millimeters down. Take 10 millimeters down on the circle, on the isometric circle. Take 10 millimeters down. So this is what we are going to use. So in this case, what I do is that I will use my French curve to do that. So I will just so bringing it like this. Okay, and I need to use this point. Okay, so this is where we have it. So this is the lower part of the circle because of the thickness that we have here. So we need to produce that. So I believe you saw how I got that done. So what we need to do left now is to bring out the thickness of this object. So to bring out the thickness, as you can see me doing it here now. So I'm going to pause the video and I will bring out the thickness so that you can see it. Okay. This is the work. All you need to do is to practice. When you practice it, you surely master. Thank you and God bless you.